Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the trim function in Google Sheets to clean up messy data, especially when you're dealing with extra spaces in your text. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly tidy up columns of names or any text in your spreadsheet, saving yourself tons of time and headaches down the road. Alright, let's dive right in. Imagine you have a list of names in Google Sheets. Maybe it's a list you copied from somewhere or a big export from another system. You look at the names and notice something's off. Some of them have weird extra spaces at the beginning or end, or even doubled spaces between first and last names. These extra spaces might seem harmless, but they can really mess things up if you're trying to organize, sort, or match your data later. For example, John Smith with a space at the start isn't quite the same as John Smith, and that little difference can prevent formulas from working correctly, break filters, or just make your sheet look messy. So let's get you sorted. The first thing you'll want to do is select the range of cells in your sheet that contains all the names with these extra spaces. For instance, if your names are in column A, you can click and drag down the cells or just click the top cell, hold Shift, and select the last one in the list. You don't have to highlight hundreds of rows if it's a long list, you just need to know where your data lives. Now move over to the column where you want your cleaned up, trimmed names to appear. It's a good habit to keep your original data just as it is, in case you ever need to refer back to it or something goes awry, so using a new column for your trimmed version is a pro move. Click into the first cell of that new column right next to your first name. Here you're going to use a super handy formula, the trim function. You just type an equals sign, then trim, and within the parentheses put the cell reference of that first name entry. For example, if your first name is in cell A2, you type equals trim, then open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis, so equals trim A2. What trim does is strip away any extra spaces at the beginning and end of your text, and it collapses any run-together spaces in the middle down to just one. It's like giving your data a nice, clean haircut. Once you've entered that formula, hit Enter, and instantly Google Sheets will display the trimmed-up version of your name in the new cell. If it looks good, you're ready for the next part. Don't worry if at first you don't see a big change. Sometimes extra spaces are hard to spot, but trim cleans them up behind the scenes. Now let's make this work for your whole list. Instead of typing or pasting the formula for every name, just grab the little blue square at the corner of your trimmed cell called the fill handle, and drag it down alongside your name list. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, cleaning up every name in your range in one easy swipe. And that's really all there is to it. You now have a neat, tidy list of names free from sneaky spaces, and your data is ready for whatever task comes next, whether that's filtering, merging, or simply looking more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own spreadsheet tips, just drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.